Hi guys, this is Greg here from VAG Tuning SA. Today we're working on a Golf 7 GTI 2014 model. We did a downpipe on this thing with a resonator delete, as usual with our downpipes. Let's test out and see how it does, eh? Sounds amazing, sounds very, very nice. Basic sounds, eh? If you really want something to sound really, really nice, simply just do a downpipe and a resonator delete. And no drone, no funny noises, not your straight pipe or your kickback sounds, but sounds amazing, eh? And also moves like crazy. It's nice, gives you just a little bit of kilowatts.